You're driving on the wrong side of Highway 30, passed out over your steering wheel. Just standing here, I mean, you can't maintain your balance. Where you come? Nope, don't fall. Nope.
Hi.
Hi. I don't think it's medical. I think it's on the console.
Hi, ma'am.
She doesn't know what.
At first glance, this looks like a routine traffic stop, but within seconds, officers realize they're dealing with something far more serious. Driving the wrong way on a highway is one of the deadliest situations imaginable. The big question is this a medical emergency or something else entirely?
Know what happened? She can't respond.
Okay. I'm Deputy Larson of the Boone County Sheriff's Office. Are you feeling okay tonight?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you're in the median here, so something happened. Are you sure you're feeling all right? Do you have any medical conditions, diabetic, anything like that?
No.
No? No? Okay. Do you have your license on you?
Yes.
Okay, can you grab it for me, please?
My driver's license?
Yeah.
This is Judge Kester. This is Nate's wife.
Okay.
From Boone PD.
Okay.
Do that.
Well, you lost control of your vehicle.
Nate Kester's wife.
I realize that.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight? My primary concern is your welfare, right? So I want to make sure you're all right. So medics are going to come and check you out, okay? But I kind of need to know what's going on with you tonight. Are you tired or having a medical episode? I need to make sure you're okay, all right? Because the ambulance is going to come check you out here. They need to know if you have any medical conditions, what your name and stuff like that is.
I answered you earlier.
What's that?
I answered you earlier.
That you don't have any medical conditions?
That's true.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight? Are you not going to answer any questions? Okay. Man, this is your husband here. You want to talk to him? You want to talk to Nate? She's just shaking her head. She's not answering any questions. So, I don't know where she's coming from. Do you know if she has any medical conditions?
I do not.
She's got all kinds of stuff, but I don't know. I mean, she's cancer and all that shit. But
Okay, but like diabetes or anything like that?
no, she doesn't.
We'll let the paramedics talk to her.
Okay. We'll let the paramedics talk to her and we'll go from there.
All right.
Doesn't look like there's any damage to the truck. Just looks like she drove into the median here. Just outside Ogden, so.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.
Notice how the deputies stay focused on medical questions instead of jumping to conclusions. That's standard procedure. Officers must rule out a health crisis before treating the situation as a criminal investigation. It's a careful balance between public safety and protecting someone's rights.
Miss Kester, can we get your ID from you before you leave?
I'm not sure what you're asking.
For your ID, your driver's license?
Can you just get it?
Yeah, that's
in my
fine.
car?
Yeah, I can grab it. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, perfect.
Where's it at in your car?
Is it in the passenger seat?
Your driver's license, is it in a purse or
Yes.
is that where they can find it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's your driver's license at, ma'am?
Go to the ambulance.
I don't see a purse. Run the RO, please.
Got her? So you know you're south of Ogden. Do you know what year it is?
Serious?
I am. It's silly questions that I have to ask.
Are we good?
We're checking it, okay? Gotta give it a minute. So you tell us that you're not confused, but we don't know that until we get answers from you, okay? And so if we can't get those answers from you, that's why we have to take you to the hospital to figure it out. Is that fair? Okay. So do you want to answer our questions or no?
No, I will.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Do you know what day of the week it is?
It's Monday.
Monday? Okay.
We're gonna try and keep this arm relaxed so when it blows up on your arm, it'll go real easy. Okay.
I don't know what you're talking
So
about.
we'll just leave this arm. We won't move it. Okay. Just now until it pumps up and then releases. Okay.
We're just gonna get one quick blood pressure and then we'll take it off. Do you have any health issues that we need to know about? Okay.
That's between you and them. Okay.
Okay. I don't want you to fall. You're kind of stumbling here. You okay?
I'm not stumbling.
Okay.
I'm right here.
Okay. All right. Our concern is you're driving on the wrong side of Highway 30, You drove in the median. A witness saw you passed out over your steering wheel. Just standing here, I mean, you can't maintain your balance. You had to be walked to the ambulance. You got glossy eyes. The beverage that was in your vehicle smells of alcohol. So, where you nope, don't fall. Don't fall, ma'am. Do you want to sit down in my car and we can continue the conversation? I don't want to see you fall and get hurt.
Or you could sit down right here in the grass if you want to. It's up to you.
Okay.
Or if you think you're fine standing.
We will, we'll just walk you over to my car, okay?
This is the turning point. The witness statement, the wrong way driving, difficulty standing, and the odor of alcohol are all adding up. At this stage, investigators are building probable cause, not based on one clue, but on the totality of everything they're observing.
Can you walk yourself? I really don't want to make this any harder than it has to be, okay?
You want to put her in the back?
Yeah, I just
Oh, okay.
he just keeps falling, so that's why.
We're good.
We're just going to set you in the back of my car because I don't want to see you get hurt, okay? Step up there and have a seat for
There's
me.
a handle there if you want to grab that. Right up here where my light is. Right there. If you want to grab that handle.
I'm just trying to make sure you don't fall, ma'am.
Can you not push me?
I'm not trying to push you. You were falling backwards, so I was trying to make sure you didn't fall backwards, okay?
Off.
Okay. You don't have any weapons on you, anything like that? Do you want to talk at all? I told you what my concerns were. You're driving on the wrong side of Highway 30. You ran into the median. A witness saw you pass out over your steering wheel. Okay. You had an alcoholic beverage in your vehicle. You have glossy eyes. You can't even walk. You have slurred speech. So I want to offer you field sobriety tests, if that'd be something you're willing to do to make sure you're okay to be driving. Is that something you'd be willing to do? I want to give you every opportunity. We're going to go to the law enforcement center, we're going to go to the jail, and we're going to do some stuff for OWI investigation, okay? Do you have any questions about that? Okay, and I'm just going to put handcuffs on you in the front. You don't have any weapons on you, anything like that? Is there anything I can do or say to get you out? Because I do eventually have to get you out. I don't want to have to drag you out or anything like that.
Even now, listen to how calm the deputy remains. Rather than escalating immediately, he repeatedly gives her opportunities to cooperate. Those moments matter because they'll likely be reviewed later by supervisors, attorneys, and possibly even a court.
Anything like that. I'm trying to be super compliant with you, or trying to get you to be super compliant with me. I understand you're upset, but I am going to need you to step out of the car for me, okay? You don't want us to have to drag you out, do you? Because one way or another, you're going to have to come out. I really am trying to do everything I can to not have to escalate this all. I don't want to have to pull you out of the car, anything like that. I would really just rather you step out of the vehicle for me, okay? So, I have a supervisor on the way. Would you rather talk to him than me? Well, what we're going to do then, since you don't want to get out of the vehicle, because I don't want to, pull you out right now, I'm going to wait for my partner to get here. Okay, and you can talk to him. He's my supervisor. And if that doesn't go anywhere, we're going to have to take you out of the vehicle, which we really don't want to have to do. Well, it seems you don't want to get out. My supervisor, Sergeant McCrae, he's on the way here. You can talk to him. If you want to talk to someone that's higher than me, that's fine. But at some point you do have to get out of the vehicle, and like I said before, we don't want to have to pull you out. We want to do this cool, calm, and collected, right? What's going on? Okay. I got you.
Will you...
Maybe I will just do it here then.
Just so you know, we do have a blood draw warrant for you. So, just letting you know, obviously...
Here's an important legal moment. Once a blood draw warrant is mentioned, the investigation has entered a much more serious phase. And when she requests a lawyer, that's a constitutional right, but it doesn't automatically stop officers from carrying out a valid search warrant.
Obviously, I want you to have time to speak with Nate or whatever you guys want to do.
I want to speak with lawyers.
Yeah, that's totally fine. Your phone is there for you. Obviously, I assume you have numbers or anything like that in there that you'd like.
So can you explain what happened?
Yeah. So someone called you in, and you were traveling on US Highway 30, and they reported that you were slumped at the wheel. You were found in the ditch right south of the Ogden football stadium on Highway 30. You know where it goes? It goes from the narrow road to the wide road, right there. So you had driven on the wrong side of the highway. So you were driving on the wrong side of Highway 30 and went in the ditch there.
So I just want to know if I'm charged with anything right now.
You're probably going to be charged with OWI tonight.
Door right there.
Straight.
Yep, just straight ahead. And jailers will come and instruct you what to do next. Yeah, not too long ago. She just got blood drawn, is all of it, and an IV.
The ending is what makes this case unforgettable. A sitting judge, someone responsible for upholding the law, now finds herself on the other side of the justice system. It's a powerful reminder that accountability doesn't disappear because of someone's title or position.